Hi, welcome to Nomics Academy. So let's continue from where we stopped in the previous video. We are solving paper 2 Bechet 2024. So we stopped at question number 14 and then we are going to continue with question number 15. So we have 15 and the question says expand. Okay, let me write it where. Expand and simplify. 5x minus 3y into 2x plus 4y. The options given to us are 5x squared plus xy minus 12y squared. B, 5x squared minus xy minus 12y squared. And then we have C, 10x squared plus 14xy plus 12y squared. D, we have 10x squared plus 14xy minus 12y squared. And then the last option, 10x squared minus 14xy plus 12y squared. All right, so to expand, we are going to use this to multiply everything in the other bracket. So let's do that. We have 5x, we multiply everything here, and minus 3y, we multiply everything here. So that will give us 20x squared plus, sorry, this is not 20, this is 10. 5 times 2 is 10, but 5x times 4y is 20xy. Minus 3y times 2x, that is minus 6xy. Minus 3y times plus 4y, that will give us minus 12y squared. So we have 10x squared. So we can add this up or subtract 6 from 20. That will give us 14xy minus 12y squared. So this is the final thing to do. And let's check the correct option. So you can see that option D is the correct answer. So option D is correct. So the next question number 16. Question number 16 says, Olu thought of a number and subtracted 2 from it. He divided 32 by the results. If his answer is 4, find the number. Okay, the options given to us are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, so now so this is a word problem. To interpret the question, it says Olu thought of a number, let the number be x, and subtracted 2 from it. Subtracting 2 from it. Now, it says he divides 32 by the result. So this is a different thing now. So 32 was divided by the result of x minus 2. And then if his answer is 4, that is the whole of this, the answer is 4. Now we are asked to find the value of, or find the number he thought of, which is x. So when we cross multiply, 32 is equal to 4 into x minus 2. We have 32 equal to 4x minus 8. Okay, so we move this to the other side. 32 plus 8 equal to 4x. So So this is 40 equals to 4x. So divide both sides by 4. So you see that x is equal to 10. 40 divided by 4 is 10. So the correct option is E. Option E is correct. So we move to the next question. The next question number 17. 17 says factorize a square minus 6a minus 7. Okay, the options given are a minus 1 and a minus 7. B, we have a minus 1 and a minus 7. C, we have a plus 1 and a minus 6. D, we have a minus 1 and a minus 6. And then the last option, we have a plus 6 into a plus 7. All right, to factorize that, we have a squared minus 6a minus 7. So we need to think of two factors that will replace minus 6a. And when you multiply them together, we definitely have minus 7a squared. So what is the factor? The factor will be a squared minus 7a plus a. Okay, 7a plus a minus 7. So minus 7a plus a, when you add them up, you get minus 6a. When you multiply them, you get minus 7a squared, which is correct. So we continue. We pick the first two. What is common in the first two? A is common. And what is left? We have a minus 7. In the other side, plus 1 is common. A minus 7. You see, we have two brackets that are similar. So we pick one of it, minus 7 into a plus 1. So that is the correct answer. So let's check it up. Which of the options is correct? So which of the option, that is a minus 7, a plus 1. A minus 7, a plus 1. Okay, I think one of these is a mix up here. So one of it must be different, and that will be the one that has plus. So we are taking this to be plus. That must be a mistake from my own side. Okay, let me check the options again. Option number 17. Okay, we have plus 1. So yes, sorry, this is minus, while this is plus. So this is correct. So you can see that option A is the correct answer. Option A is correct. So we move to the next question. The next question, question number 18. It says factorize a square plus 9a plus 8. Options given are a minus 1 and a plus 4. B, options given are b plus 1, a plus 3. C, we have a plus 1 and a plus 8. C or D, we have a plus 2 and a plus 8. And the last option, we have a plus 3 and a plus 5. Okay, so we clean the other side of the board. So to finish up the solution, we pick it out. A squared plus 9a plus 8. So what we still need to do, just the way we solve question number 17, we think of two factors and whose sum is 9a and whose product is minus 8a squared. So that factor is going to be plus 8a plus a, and then we have 8. Now when you add these two together, 8a plus a, you definitely get plus 9a. When you multiply it together, you get the product of first and last term, which is 8a squared. Okay, so now let's pick the first two. When you pick the first two, a is common. We factor out a plus 8. Pick the next, plus 1 is common, and then we are left with a plus 8. So we pick out what is common, a plus 8 and a plus 1. So this is the final answer. So let's check the option. So you can see that option C is correct. Option C is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.